Hello students, I welcome all of you to the science class. Today we are going to learn the new lesson, that is Plant Kingdom, Unit 17, Biology. Today the topics to be discussed about taxonomy and its classification, binomial nomenclature, salient features of algae, economic importance of algae, general characters of fungi, economic importance of fungi, and harmful effects of fungi. You know, the living organism found on the earth are different in their structures, habitat, and mode of nutrition and physiology. The estimated number of species on the earth is 8.7 million. The estimated number of species on the earth is 8.7 million. The living organism show a lot of similarities and differences so that they can be arranged into many groups systematically. The plant kingdom includes thallophytes, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms, and angiosperms. Taxonomy. Taxonomy is the branch of biology that deals with the study of identification, classification, description, and nomenclature of living organisms. Taxonomy is the branch of biology that deals with the study of identification, classification, description, and nomenclature of living organisms. The word taxonomy was first coined by Augustin Pyramus de Candolle. The word taxonomy was coined by Augustin Pyramus de Candolle. The word taxonomy is derived from two Greek words. Taxis means arrangement and nomos means law. Plants are arranged into different groups and categories on the basis of similarities and differences are called classification. The types of classification are artificial system of classification, natural system of classification, phylogenetic system of classification, and modern system of classification. Plants are classified on the basis of one or few morphological characters, that is, external characters. The most famous artificial system of classification is Linnaeus classification. The most famous artificial system of classification is Linnaeus classification, which was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus in Species Planetarum. Next one is natural system of classification. Bentham and Hooker's classification is an example of natural system of classification. This system of classification is based on morphological and reproductive characters of the seeded plants. Bentham and Hooker published their natural system of classification in their book named Genera Plantarum in 3 volumes. Now we will see the outline of Bentham and Hooker's system of classification. The division Spermatophyta are divided into 3 classes. First one, Dicotyledonnae, Gymnospermae, and Monocotyledonnae. Class 1, Dicotyledonnae. A seed has 2 cotyledons. Leaves have reticulate venation. Taproot system is present. Flowers are tetramerous or pentamerous. Tetra means 4, penta means 5. So, flowers are 4 or 5 petals are present in the plant. Class 2 Gymnospermae, naked seed plants. Plants of this class have no fruit. It has 3 families. They are Cycadaceae, Coniferae, Nitaceae. Naked seed plants means, what is the meaning? Okay, I will say the ovule is not enclosed by ovary, that is open seeded plants. Class 3 Monocotyledone. Seed has single cotyledon, leaves have parallel venation, fibrous root system is present, flowers are trimerous. Tri means 3. Next one is binomial nomenclature. The naming of an organism with the 2 words are known as binomial nomenclature. For example, the binomial name of mango is Magnifera indica. Here, the first word Magnifera refers to the genus name and the second word indica to the species name. Next, we will see the salient features of algae. Algae are chlorophyll-bearing simple, primitive plants and are autotrophs. Algae belongs to Thallophyta and the plant of body of algae is called as thallus. That is, the plant body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. Most of the algae are living in aquatic region. It may be a fresh water or marine water. Very few algae can survive in terrestrial conditions. Some algae are very minute and float on the surface of the water. These algae are called phytoplankton. Some of the algae are symbionts. Symbionts means algae living with fungi and they both are mutually benefited. For example, lichen. A few species of them are epiphytes. Epiphytes means growing on another plants. Now, we will see the reproduction of algae. Three types of reproduction are seen in algae. First one is vegetative reproduction by fragmentation. For example, Spirogyra. Asexual reproduction by spore formation. Spore formation means only one parent will involve in this reproduction. For example, Chlamydomonas. Fragmentation means cutting into many pieces. For example, Spirogyra. Next one is sexual reproduction by means of fusion of gametes. Gametes means male and female gamete involved in this reproduction. For example, Spirogyra. Next, we will see the economic importance of algae. First one is food. Algae are consumed as food by the people in Japan, England and also in India. For example, Alva, Spirulina and Chlorella. Alva, Spirulina and Chlorella. Some algae are used as a food for domestic animals. Next one is agriculture. Some of the blue, green algae are essential for the fixing of atmospheric nitrogen into the soil, which increases the fertility of the soil. For example, nostoc. Third one is agar-agar. Agar-agar is extracted from some red algae, that is Gelidium, etc., which is used to prepare growth medium in laboratories. Fourth one is iodine. Iodine is obtained from brown algae like Laminaria, that is kelp. Fifth one is algae in space travel. Chlorella is used in space travel to get rid of CO2 and decompose human waste. Sixth one is single cell protein. Some of the single cell algae and blue-green algae are used to produce chlorella and spirulina. Next, we will see about the general characters of fungi. Fungi belongs to the Thallophyta because the plant body is not differentiated into root, stem and leaves. The plant body of fungus consists of filament-like structures called hyphae. The cells of fungi are multicellular and eukaryotic organization. Now see the picture for hyphae and also see the picture for fungi. The cells of fungi are multicellular and eukaryotic organizations. Here, the pigments have three types, that is parasites, saprophytes and symbionts. We will see one by one. First one is parasites. Parasites absorb food from living organisms with the help of special root called Haustoria. For example, Cercospora personata. It affects the groundnut plants and cause Ticca disease. Next one is saprophytes. Saprophytes grow up on the dead and decay matters and get food from them. For example, Rhizophus. Third one is symbionts. Some species of fungi living with algae and are mutually benefited. For example, lichen, and some fungi live symbiotically with high plants called mycorrhiza. And see the picture for lichen. Next, we will see the economic importance of fungi. First one is antibiotic. Penicillin, Penicillin notatum, neomycin, gentamicin, erythromycin. These are some antibiotics obtained from fungi which cure variable diseases. Food. Mushroom contains rich proteins and minerals. The most common edible mushroom is agaricus, that is button mushroom. Third one is vitamins. Fungus like Ashbia gosby and Erythromoebium ashby are used to produce vitamin B2, that is riboflavin. Alcohol. Fungus like yeast contain enzymes, invertase and zymase, which ferment the sugar molasses into alcohol. See the picture for yeast. Next, we will see the harmful effects of fungi. Diseases caused by fungi in plants. Wilt disease of cotton, Zika disease of groundnut, red rot of sugar, blast disease of paddy, and white rust of radish. These are the diseases caused by fungi in plants. Next, we will see the diseases caused by fungi in humans. Ringworm, dandruff, and athlete's foot. These are the diseases caused by fungi in human. Students, and that's all about this session. Next one is assignment. The questions are: what are the diseases caused by fungi in human? Write the general characters of fungi. Write any two economic importance of algae. Here I have attached the answers for the given questions. Kindly note down in your classwork or any other note and submit this assignment in the GCR.